Hi, welcome to Trident, South Africa. I'm going to give you a little video tour of our machine shop 1, which is our main machine shop, mostly computerized equipment. As you can see here, we have different types of equipment, all CNC, so computer managed, making parts for our machines. Those are rocker shovel axles. As you can see, there are more. If you go down here, you can see these HM800s. We've got several of these. A computer controlled machine. In here you can see a 75D motor shell for our locomotives being manufactured. This machine has several operating spaces, so when that operation is finished, it can be turned around onto this space where a different operation takes place. Here you can see there's two motors in the machine at the same time, so we can do one operation in the one space and one operation in the second space. Here you have another HM800, and there you can see the tools are being taken from by the computer and taken into the operating areas where they'll be fitted to the chucks and then be used in the manufacturing process. Here you can see there's a cassette, all the different tools, and then in the operating area there's another HM800. This one's actually empty, they're still setting it up. And we've got a lot of these machines, quite expensive machines. Here you can see some 12B motor shells being prepared. There's another CNC machine. You can see again, it's got two areas where different operations can be done on one machine at the same time. You see an operator here is busy putting in a part in the one side of this particular HM800 again. But while he's doing that, you can see another operation taking place in the other chamber. You go down here, see other smaller machines. Morning. See the setters are all watching the machine. Morning. This goes on all day. There's another machine being prepared. Most of these now will be between operations. You can see here the parts are ready to go in. It's just a matter of setting up. Machines are running all over the place. Up there's our tool store, where all the different tools for the different operations are used, are stored. Yeah, so this is Trident Machine Shop 1.